Which color are you going to support with?
Okay, I will go with my brother, white team.
Okay.
You? Who wants white team? Hands up. Team white. Of course, the wife will put the hand up. Okay, green team, who wants it? Okay, let's find out. 1, 2, go. Come on, team white, we have to win. Team white.
What is the rule to win this match?
The rule is who's gonna come fastest, the winner.
Okay, I love it. The one who comes fast is the winner. So we are the winner. Come on, green. Yes.
Green!
We are the first. So we are the winner, bro.
Okay, no problem. Tell me, which one is the boy, which one is the girl there? Who can tell me? Hana girl, why? Why? You think girls are beautiful than boys? Huh. You agree? You don't agree? Tonight you'll sleep outside. You know, it's amazing putting up this the boy, that's the girl. They are really fantastic. Now, I want you all to also give a big round of applause to our brother out there. Today it's his birthday. Let's wish him happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ronnie.
Yeah, happy birthday, boy. And today he's turned 21 years old. Thank you so much, huh?
Yes, 19.
Oh, he's going to treat everybody Happy Valley? And you'll pay? Alright, let's say bye. Thank you, my family, friends, and us. Happy birthday, Ronnie B. You know, these birds are really joy and amazing, pulling up all the fun. Now, everybody, the next bird coming up, gonna splash some colors. Now, there is a game. The bird is gonna come and not do painting, he's gonna make something. You look and tell me, what do you think he's trying to make? Come on up, John, when you're ready. This is John Picasso from Australia.
Mr. John Picasso is a white-crested cockatoo. In cockatoos, there are 16 living species divided in 4 colors. Some of these are black, gray, pink, and white. They are famous in Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, and Australia, and they live in a very big groups. The groups of birds is called the flock, and they can live up to thousands of families. They really love to eat some fruits like watermelon, seeds, nuts, and berries. But today, he is using 4 different colors, which is red, green, blue, and yellow. Bro, do you have an idea what the paintings look like for you?
Oh, you want me to take a guess first?
Yes.
If you ask me, I think he's trying to make a jungle.
A jungle. So why don't you ask them?
Okay, friends, I want you to take a guess. Anything, it's imagination. We are all family. What is it you think? Yes. Huh? A bird, mashallah, that's a good answer. Anything else? Anything? A tree. I said forest.
Flag.
A flag. Flag of, why are you looking at me? I don't know. Flag from where?
UAE.
From?
UAE.
UAE flag. Okay, now we get serious now. Okay, decide. Anything, come on, take a guess. Maybe it's an imagination only. Imagination can be beyond boundaries. Ate, what do you think it is?
I think it's bird.
It's a bird. It doesn't
Bird,
look like a birthday cake to you? Okay, DJ, we have different answers. Bird, all the way. I said it's a forest.
Well, it's a fruit.
What?
Yes, it's a fruit.
It's a fruit.
Yeah.
Oh, come on. Which fruit looks like this?
Fruit salad.
Oh, maybe you're hungry. Okay, let's ask the bird. John, I don't know, but DJ said it's a fruit salad. Hey, he said no, it's not. Okay. Hey, how about say yes? It's a forest.
No.
Okay. How about a bird?
No.
A tree?
No? What is that, bro?
How about a UAE flag?
Yes.
Everybody clap their hands. It's a UAE flag.
Yes.
If Sheikh sees this flag, he'll hold it in half. Bring out the love. Everybody clap it up for the big boy. You know what's going to happen? Because it's a respect for our UAE flag, what's going to happen? We're going to frame this painting and give it to one of the family. Whoever's going to take the painting home, after the show, you're going to come and catch the big birds in your hand. We will take a picture and give it to you. It's all the love in the house. It's only for 80 dirhams if you want to take a painting and the picture of the birds. You raise your hands up and we will give it to you after the show. You can come to me, Saki the boy and John Picasso. Thank you. Okay, DJ, what is your favorite food?
Biryani. Spicy.
You like biryani?
Yes.
Okay, but this time we are not eating biryani, we are eating sunflower seeds. Talino. Come. Come, princess. You look like Princess Elsa.